Welcome to Chamberlain's Master of Physician Assistant Studies degree program Chicago campus, where education meets inspiration. Built in 2021 and designed specifically for PA program students, our modern Chicago campus is equipped with a lecture hall, lab group areas, individual H&P exam rooms, and advanced procedural task trainers with ultrasound capabilities. Located in a vibrant city full of culture and history, our campus is near iconic landmarks, shopping, museums, and dining. The Commons. The Commons is the heart of campus life. Collaborate on projects, relax with friends, or grab a coffee and enjoy a snack between classes. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. Lobby. The lobby is your first stop for support. Whether you need help, directions, or a friendly face, we're here for you. Lecture classroom. Join expert faculty for engaging lectures that build the foundation for your physician assistant studies. Flex classroom. Work in small teams to tackle simulated medical procedures and problem-based learning. It's all hands-on and interactive here. Practice procedural skills such as suturing, ultrasound imaging, joint injections, lumbar puncture, and chest tube and central line insertions. Exam room. Hone your skills in realistic exam rooms. Practice physical exams and patient interviews in a primary care setting. These dedicated areas provide opportunities for learning and practicing taking a patient's medical history and conducting physical exams, honing communication skills, and performing objective structured clinical exams, OSCES. Control room for PA exam rooms. Faculty observe and record student sessions as they practice skills in the PA exam rooms. This room is also used to proctor physical exam practicals, OSCEs, and other exams. Standard classroom. Learn in comfortable, focused spaces designed for engaging lectures and group work. The standard classroom also houses the Sectra Table, a large interactive touchscreen with 3D images of real human bodies. PA students can examine the images in detail, including all of the organ systems, and even dissect the body with a virtual knife. Truly a dry cadaver lab at your fingertips.